اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Iqra with Iqra. This is the last and the final segment, Khatm al-Quran, alhamdulillah. Surah Abasa we're going to start now. So let's move straight to our viewers. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Is that Hamza Rahman?
Yes.
How are you doing, Hamza Rahman?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. You're from Luton, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know the other Luton lot that call me?
No.
You don't know them, no?
No.
Okay, never mind. So you ready to read Surah Abasa?
Yeah.
Let's have it, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عبس وتولى أن جاءه الأعمى وما يدريك لعله يزكى أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى أما من استغنى فأنت له تصدى وما عليك ألا يزكى كلا يزكى.
No. You say kalla yazakka. What are you talking about? وما عليك ألا يزكى.
وما عليك ألا يزكى.
Hanji.
وأما من جاءك يسعى وهو يغشى فأنت عنه تلهى كلا إنها تذكرة فمن شاء ذكره في صحف مكرمة مرفوعة مطهرة بأيدي سفرة بأيدي سفرة.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hamza, is there anything else you want to say?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to watch a bit more of the show and then get ready and go to tuition and then go to mosque.
Go to where?
I'm going to go to tuition and then after I'm going to go to mosque.
What are you going to do at the mosque?
I'm going to read Quran.
All right then. So make sure next year we're going to start from the beginning again, yeah?
Yeah.
So make sure you watch from day one, mate.
Okay.
From Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, there's going to be a lot going on. You got that?
Yeah.
Take care.
Okay,
right.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. That's Hamza Rahman, all the way from Luton, guys. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Wa salam. Who's that?
Shahima.
Shahima, how are you, Shahimas?
I'm okay.
Are you calling from Luton?
Yeah.
And anyone else reading?
Can my brother read Surah after?
Okay, we'll think about that. How old is your brother?
He's 7.
Okay, so but I want you to read some verses first. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's have it, guys. Kiramin Barara, verse 16.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عبس وتولى.
No, we've done Abasa. Shahima is from verse number 16. Kiramin Barara, it's at the bottom, right at the bottom line. Kiramin Barara, towards the end, the last line.
Towards,
Can you see the last line on the screen?
Oh, found it. Wait.
Okay then.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Kiramin barara.
كرام بررة.
Kiramin barara. قتلوا
قتل
قتلوا
ال قتل ال قتل ال قتل ال
قتل ال just a second. قتل
not
الإنسان
قتل قتل ال
قتل الإنسان قتل الإنسان ما أكفر من أي شيء
خلق
خلق من نطفة
من نطفة
خلقه
من نطفة stop من نطفة
من نطفة خلقه
خلقه خلقه
خلقه فقدره ثم السبيل يسره ثم أماته فأقبره.
Okay, lovely. Shahima, thank you for reading those verses, but do watch because we do need to really work on your reading, okay?
Okay.
Shahima, I'm going to let you go now. I'm going to move on to the next viewer because we need to get this surah completed. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Is that Samia?
Yeah,
How are you doing, Samias?
I'm alright. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Who else is reading?
Shahri and Taiba.
Okay, then let's have a please for Samia.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ثم إذا شاء أنشره كلا لما يقض ما أمره.
Okay, this is kalla. After the lam, there's alif madda, yeah?
Okay.
كلا لما يقضي ما أمر again.
كلا لما يقض ما أمره.
Yes.
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها هبا وإنبا وقضبا.
Okay, who's next, Samia?
Taiba.
Give it, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, Taiba. Carry on, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه.
Can you give it to Shahriyar, please?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, Shahriyar. Carry on.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you. Shahriyar, Taiba and Samia read very well, as always. MashaAllah, keep it up. Let's now move on to our next viewer. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who is that?
It's Mustafa.
Mustafa from where?
From Leicester.
Leicester.
Yep.
And how old are you, Mustafa?
I am 9 years old.
Acha. And is this the first time you are calling?
Second.
Pardon?
My second time.
Second time. So when was the first time you rang?
Huh?
When was the first time you rang?
It was yesterday.
Did ya?
Yeah.
God, I can't remember. Never mind. Okay, you want to start Taqweer? And how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
About 1 month.
Acha. Okay, Surah Taqweer, please, for Mr. Mustafa.
Okay. Shall I start?
Yes, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم منكدرت وإذا الجبال سيرت وإذا العشار أطلت وإذا الوحوش حشرت وإذا.
Okay, Mustafa, do you go to masjid to learn your Quran?
Yeah.
Do you go every day?
Yeah.
And how long do you go for?
I go for 2 hours.
Every day?
Yeah.
So you did not go today?
No, because my brother, in school, he hurt his head. And my mom and dad had to go to the hospital and.
So you couldn't go today?
No.
Okay, chalo. Now, what do you do when you go to the masjid? What's your 2 hours? What do you do in that 2 hours?
I read Quran for 4 days, but it was an exam yesterday. From Monday to Wednesday, it was an exam. And for normal days, we do Quran for 4 days, and for 1 day, we do Islamic studies.
Okay, so are you learning tajweed?
Yeah.
So what tajweed rules have you learned so far?
I've learned a sakun.
A what?
A sakun.
Okay.
A sakun. What else? I can't remember. I think it's because I just started our mosque.
How long have you been going to the mosque?
2 weeks.
You've just started?
Yeah.
Acha, chalo, theek hai. Do you think you'll be able to watch the show regularly?
Yeah, because every day I watch it.
Okay, watch it because we really need to work on your tajweed.
Okay.
Because you're reading, though you can read the text, but it's wrong.
Okay.
So we need to sort all that out.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, Mustafa, take care, mate. Speak to you soon. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Yasin.
Yeah.
Fareed. Are you ready?
Yeah.
From the beginning, please. إذا الشمس كورت. Start from the beginning.
Okay.
Okay.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم كدرت وإذا الجبال سيرت وإذا الإشار أطلت وإذا الوحوش هشرت وإذا البحار سجرت وإذا النفوس زوجت وإذا الموءودة سئلت بأي ذنب قتلت وإذا الصحف نشرت.
Okay, lovely, Yasin. Brilliant, mashallah. Thank you so much. Next viewer, please. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Noor Fatima.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
Yes, I am very well indeed, mashallah, Noor Fatima. So how's your day been?
Okay.
Okay. And how's Mrs. Khan?
She's okay.
I spoke to her this morning. How's Mr. Yusuf?
He's okay.
And how's your parents?
They're okay.
They never call, do they?
No.
Why not?
They're busy.
Doing what?
Well, my dad comes home late.
Serious?
Well, not too late.
I mean, how late?
Like about 6 o'clock.
That's not, well, it is late because he can't call them, can he? And he leaves home in the morning, you mean, yeah?
Yeah.
And what about your mum?
She's a teacher.
So she's not at home either?
No, not most of the time, no.
Right, okay, then I get it, mate, I get it. Never mind. You ready to read?
Yeah.
Let's have a place for Noor Fatima. From verse number 11, yeah, وَإِذَا السَّمَاءُ كُشِطَتْ, okay?
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا السماء كشطت وإذا الجحيم سعرت وإذا الجنة أزلفت علمت نفس ما أحضرت فلا أقسم بالخنس الجوار الكنس
والليل لام पे तशदीद है double letter double sound والليل
إذا عسعس والصبح إذا تنفس
जी
إنه لقول رسول كريم ذي قوة عند ذي
عرش مكين مكين ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين. Okay?
Yeah.
Noor Fatima, thank you so much. What are you going to do now?
Read.
Okay. Are you going to eat? Have you had something to eat or no?
I've already had something to eat.
What did you have?
Potato with peas.
You had a jacket potato?
No, it was
like what? It was like aloo, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. We just say that then, aloo. Okay, take care, Noor Fatima. I'll speak to you soon. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
This is Shamima.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Shamima?
I'm okay.
Are you good?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Let's have a please with Shamima, please. Anyone else reading, by the way?
Yeah, Hamid and Jahid.
Both. Okay, let's have it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مطاع ثم أمين وما صاحبكم بمجنون ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين وما هو على الغيب بضنين وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم فأين تذهبون إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم وما تشاءون إلا وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين.
Brillianto. Who's next?
Jahid.
Put Jahid on. He can start Suratul Infitar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Well, salam. Is that Jahid or Hamid?
Jahid.
Okay, Jahid. You want mate?
Yes.
Yeah, good day at school?
Kind of.
Okay, looking tomorrow last day?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you going to do over the holidays?
Sleep.
Huh?
Sleep.
No, that's a good answer. That is a good answer. Sleep all chuttiyan. Okay, it's on the screen, mate, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا السماء انفطرت وإذا الكواكب انتثرت وإذا البحار فجرت وإذا القبور بعثرت علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك في أي سورة ما شاء ركبك كلا بل تكذبون بالدين.
Okay, can you give it to Hamid?
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
One salam, Hamid. You alright?
Yes.
Good on you, mate. When you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإن عليكم لحافظين كراما كاتبين يعلمون ما تفعلون إن الأبرار لفي نعيم وإن الفجار لفي جحيم يصلونها يوم الدين وما هم عنها بغائبين وما أدراك ما يوم الدين ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله.
Okay, wonderful. Hamid and Jahid and Shamima, you guys always read so well. Keep it up. And I know you try so hard, mashallah. Allah bless you all. Very good. Now, next surah, Surah Al-Mutaffifin. It is a long surah, one ruku, and there are 36 verses. So a lot of verses. This may well be the last surah that we read today. Then I'm going to finish off the show. And then tomorrow, inshallah, in the morning, Surah Al-Inshiqaq, Surah Al-Buruj, Surah Al-Tariq, Surah Al-A'la, Surah Al-Ghashiyah, Surah Al-Fajr, Surah Al-Balad, Surah Al-Shams, Surah Al-Layl. And these can be read, honestly, it will not take long at all. Let's have the next viewer for Surah Al-Mutaffifin. Please, Assalamu alaikum. Who's that?
Wahi.
Wahi, how are you, mate?
I'm fine, how are you?
I am good, thank you. Alhamdulillah. Surah Al-Mutaffifin, please, when you're ready.
Is it from the top line?
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل للمطففين الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون إلا يظن أولئك أنهم هم مبعوثون ليوم عظيم يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين وما أدراك ما سجين كتاب
is كتاب مرقوم, yeah?
كتاب مرقوم ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Okay, lovely. Wait, Wahi, very good, mate. Keep it up. You read very well. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, who's that?
This is Arifa.
Is it who?
Arifa.
Arifa.
Yeah,
Where from?
from Ilford.
Ilford. How old are you, Arifa?
Do I have to say my age?
Are you an adult?
G.
Okay, that's fine. No, that's the reason I ask. Yeah, it's cool. Maybe you don't know. Adults normally call in the morning from 11 till 1.
Oh, that time I'm not at home.
Okay, never mind. That's cool. First time you call in?
Yeah, G.
And how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
We have been watching for a long time, but most time I don't get time to watch it
Why not?
because I'm not at home.
You're working.
No.
You're studying.
I'm going to madrasa.
Pardon?
I'm just going to madrasa.
Oh, you go to madrasa.
Yeah.
So you're a teenager.
No.
You're an adult.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the reason I ask this is because I need to know how many teenagers call. That's the reason I'm being really to think. No other reason. Okay, so you go to full-time madrasa.
Yeah.
And what? Becoming an alima.
G.
Oh, mashallah. Which madrasa?
Al-Rawda.
Where?
Al-Rawda.
Where's that?
That's
Sorry, I'm lost.
in Forest Gate.
Okay, good. And what year are you in?
I'm in third year, but I'm kind of struggling in Tajweed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so what books are you learning in your first year?
In first year, like Sira, we're doing fiqh kitab, durus lughat, nahwa, sarf, and tajweed.
Which books on Nahwa?
Nahwa, the grammar book.
Pardon?
Grammar book.
And which books on Sarf?
Sarf, that when you're just changing the...
No, I know, but which book? The name of the book?
Sarf.
It's just Sarf. There must be a name. There's no name? Never mind, it's okay. So you're doing Nahwa, you're doing Sarf, and you're doing Arabic language?
G.
Which book?
Durus lughat.
Okay, so you're doing the Durus books, yeah? And which other books?
Just Tajweed and fiqh.
Which book on Tajweed?
Tajweed, the step by step.
Tajweed, okay. Lovely. Let me hear your reading. We don't have much time. I just want to hear your reading very quickly. Let's have it, please, on the screen.
Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Start. الذين يكذبون يا.
Okay. الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين كلا بل رانا على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Okay, that's good. Did you say Firdaus? No, sorry, I'm Arifa, isn't it? Arifa, sorry. Okay, listen, it's okay. Now, what you can do is try to watch the show. And next year, I'm starting from the beginning. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Not that you need Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, but watch because I'll be teaching all the rules. Makharij al-Huruf. Now, one thing you can do, go on YouTube and type in my name, Rayan Mahmood, R-A-Y-A, and spell it properly. I'm Rayan Mahmood. Makharij in English. If you do not know your Makharij, go and learn the Makharij from there. It's a 3-4 minute clip. And next year we're going to start from the beginning. Make sure you watch, because I'll be going over the foundation and the intermediate tajweed, and we'll be touching on advanced as well.
Okay.
Okay, and you watch, it's so easy. But definitely go on YouTube and learn the makharij if you do not know the makharij.
Okay, Jazakallah khair.
Okay, Arifa, you take it easy. MashaAllah, someone becoming a alima. Of course, Iqra with Iqra is here to even help those who are striving to become alims and alima for your tajweed. Do call, watch regularly, listen to callers, make rules, practice. You'll get that. It's not hard at all. Thank you so much, everyone, for calling. Tomorrow in the morning, inshallah, we will start with Surah Al-Mutaffifin, and we will work all the way down, read as many surahs as we can. It's very, very easy. It will not take long. And in the evening, between 4 and 6, a dua. All the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان